Hi and good morning. Welcome to another What I Eat in a Week video. I loved making this video last time and you guys really seem to love it too. So we are back again doing a full What I Eat in a Week. It is Monday. I picked up all of my groceries for the week yesterday on Sunday. Today's Monday. I just finished a workout and I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. Now lunchtime and I'm going to make a sandwich. I'm obsessed with this sandwich. I make it all of the time. It's my comfort food at this point. Does anyone else get obsessed with like one single meal and they just eat it over and over and over again until they find the next meal that they're obsessed with? We're gonna make that sandwich as my little treat for today. Yeah. Hi, good morning. It's Wednesday morning. I made my iced chai, I have my ginger tea, and then I have all of my supplements. I love this cute little bowl. I don't know where my mom got it, but my mom got this for me because she knows I'm a supplement queen and she does the same thing. So last night for dinner, I pulled a little repeat and I had steak tacos again. If you watch my Sunday reset that just went up, there's this thing all over the internet of people doing frozen cucumber on their face and it's great for their skin. And I'm like, yes, but you can't use that same side of the cucumber, obviously, more than once. So I cut them into pieces and then you use one side once and then the other side and then the other pieces. So let's get them. I used one of them yesterday, one side in the morning and one side at night. And I have, as you can see, some very heavy breakouts right now. And I think it is the dairy catching up to me because, you know, when I had my little depressione episode because of my gut being destroyed, I was like, yeah, I want pasta. I'm paying for it now. So we're back on the eating better, limiting dairy as much as possible. So I'm gonna cucumber my skin this morning, but the pimples, the breakouts, they're not doing it for me and they're making me a little insecure. Love Island is ending so soon and I'm so sad because I made that shit a part of my morning routine. Every morning when I would make my breakfast, I would watch the new episode of Love Island and it was beautiful. Now summer's ending and Love Island is ending. So I'm rewatching Vampire Diaries because they decided to take it off in September. Like, babes, what are you doing? That is the show that I rewatch every October. So I'm a little offended that they would take it off in September. So I now have a month to power through it. Like, what were you thinking? Like, what was going through your brain when you were doing that? Anyway, so let's cucumber the face. Oh, I don't have a meal. Oof, shit's freezing. Well, it is a frozen cucumber. It's giving very much hot girl. I love the way this makes my skin feel, honestly. Like after it, my skin looks pretty good and it feels pretty good. So we'll see how this kind of holds up. I'm gonna make this a habit to do it maybe like every day, every other day. Can I help you? All right. So when I'm drunk, I will delete text messages that I sent the night before. So like if I drunk texted anyone, I'll delete the messages because out of sight, out of mind. Then people text back in the morning and I'm like, ooh, don't recall what this was about, so it didn't happen. Hello. How are you? That's really good. Okay, pimple, 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 pimple. That's crazy. All because I ate a lot of sugar and dairy. Sugar and dairy affects my skin so much. So this week I've been doing good, but my skin needs to play catch up. Friday, I went to my mom's house, so I didn't film any of my food, but it's Saturday and we're just going to tack on an extra day to the what I eat in a week because that makes sense. Normally on Fridays, I make myself banana pancakes. Sorry, because I didn't have them yesterday morning, gonna make them now. Capitalism really popped off with this one. The ratio for the pancakes is 1 banana to 1 egg. lunch I had my sandwich again because it's just too good not to eat it multiple times throughout the week. I'm gonna end the video here because it's Saturday. I'm probably gonna go out to dinner before I go out tonight, so I'm not really gonna record it. If you guys want me to do more of these, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.